lots of people ask me similar questions about hypnotic gastric band. So I thought, here we go. I'm just going to answer them here. The first one is, what if I can't be hypnotized? Actually, being hypnotized, it is just a natural state. If you watch the movie and you got so deeply into it and you started maybe crying, or you've been daydreaming because you started thinking about something, you had this kind of thought and you just were lost in your thought. That's actually a natural process. And people are saying, come on, wake up. Are you daydreaming? This is the natural state. So you will be in this natural state of deep relaxation. You will still hear everything that is happening around you. You can open your eyes. So it's not that deep trance that the Hollywood movies are telling you about, or the performance shows. That's not it. So you will be aware what you are doing, and you can open your eyes and stop the process, or talk to me during that process. Second, what if my mind wanders and I can't concentrate? It's okay to have your thoughts. It's impossible to stop your thinking. If anybody is thinking that when they go to meditation classes and is saying, just let your mind wanders. I remember when I was going to meditation classes and I thought, I cannot stop thinking. My thoughts are still coming. Am I doing something wrong? So no, your thoughts might be still coming. It's a natural process. But the part of you that we are interested in is still going to hear my input. It's not going to be my idea what I want to change. It's going to be your idea. So you will still be coming back to my voice, hearing my voice, what I'm saying. So it's nothing wrong with having your thoughts coming. We will slow down that process, but the change still happens. The third question, how would that work if I can't imagine well? Imagination is a very big part of hypnotherapy, but you don't have to imagine as in real life. You can only know that things are possible. It's like if you park your car and you are going back and try to find it, you don't have to see exactly where it is. It's just having vague idea. So this is what hypnotherapy is. And you need to really distinguish your imagination from reality, because if it was the same, we might be lost. So it's just having vague idea of what I'm talking about when you are walking on the beach, when you're going to the forest, just having vague idea. And that's enough, still going to work. 4, how long would my gastric band last? So that will be very individual process. What I would tell you with the hypnotic gastric band plus mindset, you are training your mindset first. So you are changing your relationship to food and to yourself, and that can last a lifetime. Now, with everything that we do in our life, if you want something to work, you have to take care of it. It's like watering your plants. And if you think about watering your plants and if you don't take care of your plant, this is it. If you don't take care of your mind, if you don't take care of your health, this is what is going to happen. So you have to really know that you have to do something. There might be little exercises, mind exercises, that can help you to still be on that change, on just doing the things that you want to do. So as your mindset will change, you are going to have your own mantra. You're going to have your few beliefs, and you can build more and more. Your awareness is going to expand. You are going to grow with everything that you learn about yourself. So it's not only the changes you can expect in food area and drink area, But usually my clients see changes in many different aspects of their life. So don't be surprised if that hypnotic gastric band works better than you expected.